Hello friends, welcome back to Neema's kitchen, and today I'm here with a recipe of a chocolate mug cake using a regular coffee mug which is microwave safe. So let's get started. For this mug cake, I am taking 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida. Make sure to measure it to get a perfect result. Two tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Now into this, I am also going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, one-eighth teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Mix the dry ingredients well with a fork. Now let's add in the wet ingredients. For this, first I am going to add in 2 tablespoons of milk, half teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix these well. And when you feel that there is no lumps, see, then you can add an extra tablespoon of milk into it. And combine it again. The cake mixture has been well blended, nice, thick and creamy. Now this goes straight into the microwave for 1 minute. See, a chocolate mug cake is ready. If you wish, then you can serve this mug cake with a scoop of ice cream on top or garnish it with some sprinkles. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned.